I'll tell you what, this is not my ideal place to be. It's about 8:30 at night. We're just out the back of a little industrial area. Now, the engine was working okay, but then it started hesitating and just not firing. And before I get too worried, I'm just going to pull that spark plug, and hopefully I've got my NGK with me. I'm just going to throw that in and see if that makes a difference, because these cheap plugs do have a tendency just to fail almost immediately. Now this is of course the one that I pulled out of the other engine just to see, but it should still work. I'm kind of drooling all over my torch here. I'm hoping that the GoPro is going to be able to pick something up, but I've got no idea. I have no idea. And look, if this engine doesn't want to fire up properly, I can just ride home safely on the e-bike. We're just checking all our bolts. A little bit of an exhaust leak. I was expecting as much. Now, you know, we're not terribly far from home, so that is a good thing. I was hoping to get away with doing a bigger ride, but unfortunately BT100 had another idea. But look, I have to be fair. All engines are pigs when you break them in. Like an absolute cock, I forgot to put the spark plug boot on. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it was the spark plug. This is why you should always carry a spare spark plug, even if it's one that is used. NGK B6HS, I wasn't even sure if it would work in this engine. Seems to be fine. Now what was happening was, as I try to start the engine, it would only fire like, you know, seems like every second or third rotation. And so that's why I thought, at first I thought, oh crap, the engine's rooted. But I did have a spare spark plug. I deliberately kept that NGK that I pulled out of the other motor in the bag for precisely this reason. I'm glad I did start with the cheap plug, but it just goes, I didn't even last 10 Ks before it just caved. literally just on pedal power, not even using the e-bike right now because it's a flat road. But also it's night. I'm wearing high vis. But I can't see shit. Thanks, mate. And I would rather not be going too fast while my eyes adjust.